Hey, Greene County Middle School, Miss Blackman here. I'm your principal. I look forward to serving in this position for the 6th year in a row. This is going to be a different year, but it's going to be a good year. We're going to work hard together. We're going to stay positive and be flexible because that's what it takes to make it. Our teachers have been here all summer working super hard to get your classes ready, whether you're virtual or you're face-to-face. We're going to make this work. So hang in there and know that you've been missed since March. It's been a long 5 months not to see students' faces. We've missed you and can't wait to start. Take care.
I am Miss Kiera Morse, and I am your assistant principal for the school year. I am super excited to be in this role and super excited to be here for every last one of you all. So I am a graduate of North Carolina State University, ECU, and Elizabeth City State University. And they have decreed me and allowed me to be able to teach 5th grade, 6th grade, and 8th grade, and now to be your assistant principal. Super excited. I am a lover of math. I love my numbers. And I have a daughter, and she is the sunflower of my life. I'm a lover of sunflowers, all things red, elephants, and owls. Strange, but that's me. So by all means, please come see me. Stop by and say hey.
Hi, I'm Shelton Langley. I'm the new assistant principal here at Greene County Middle School. Before going into administration, I was an English teacher. I got my English degree from North Carolina State University. Go Pack. Before moving into administration, I coached basketball and baseball. I got the chance to actually coach the team I played for in high school at Southwest Edgecombe High School. I'm looking forward to moving over here to Greene County. Very excited about the STEM program. I've actually been looking at it from afar for a while and very impressed, and now I'm happy to be a part of it. I also love the small town feel and the family-oriented community here around Snow Hill in the Greene County area, and I'm just excited to be a part of it. Part of my duties will be overseeing 8th grade. I'll also be overseeing our PBIS organization, and I look forward to being a part of the Greene County school system, and more importantly, I look forward to being part of Greene County Middle School. Go Rams!
Hello, Greene County Middle School students. My name is Ms. Hooks, and I'm one of your counselors here at Greene County Middle School. Welcome to the 2020-21 school year. And this year, I'll have the pleasure of serving as a 6th grade school counselor. So I want to send a special shout out to my rising 6th graders. I'm looking forward to getting to know you and working with you as you transition to middle school. One of the things I want you to know about me, I'm a huge basketball fan, in particular college basketball. So I'm always rooting for my Pirates, and also I cheer on the Carolina Tar Heels. So welcome to Greene County Middle School. We're looking forward to a great year. Go Rams!
Hi, my name is Miss Rogers, and I am your 7th and 8th grade school counselor. Some of my favorite things to do is to dance, try new restaurants, and of course, reading. I love to read a good book. I welcome you to Greene County Middle School, and I hope that you have a wonderful school year, and go Rams!
Hello, my name is Kelly Bradshaw, and I am the school social worker here at Greene County Middle School. And you'll find my office the one with all of the pictures on the wall, which I love to call my wall of positivity. Other things about me that you did not know is that I attended the most prominent, the most prestigious, and the absolute best HBCU here on the planet, none other than North Carolina Central University in Durham, North Carolina. I also attended graduate school at Virginia Commonwealth University in Richmond, Virginia. Other things about myself is I have 2 children, a 2-year-old pit bull and a 10-year-old chihuahua. Also, I greatly enjoy reading the Bible, going to church, as well as playing The Sims on my PlayStation 4. We are greatly excited to have you all here this year, and until then, be safe, and we'll see you all soon. Take care.
Good afternoon, parents and students of Greene County Middle School. I would like to welcome you guys back for this upcoming school year. It is obviously one that will look different from the one years before, but as always, we'll do our best and make it work for everybody. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Mr. Arias. I taught 6th grade math last year. This year, I will be teaching 7th grade math. So I'm looking forward to seeing a lot of familiar faces. This will be year 4 for me, and I'm excited for this upcoming school year.
Hey guys, this is Miss Elbert. I will be teaching 7th grade ELA this year. I graduated from Green Central High School. I attended North Carolina A&T State University, and I graduated from Ashford University. I can't wait to get back into the classroom with you. See you later.
Hello everyone, I am Miss Grant and I will be teaching 7th grade social studies this year. Many of you already had me last year for 6th grade social studies or science. I cannot wait to see all of you again, whether you be in person or virtual. We're going to have such a fantastic year this year. There's so many awesome things to learn about in 7th grade social studies, from the age of exploration to the world wars to what's going on in the world around us today. I look forward to seeing all of you and hope you enjoy the rest of your summer. Bye!
Hello and welcome to 7th grade. My name is Ms. Holly Fields. I'm going to be your math teacher this year. And just a little bit of information about me. I graduated from ECU. I've been teaching for about 12 years. I have 5 children and a dog. I love sports and the outdoors, and I'm excited for a new school year. I know it's going to be crazy, but looking forward to getting to know you guys and working with you this year, and hope to see you soon.
Hey everyone, my name is Mr. Tyre. I'm going to be your 7th grade science teacher this year. I went to St. Andrews University for college, which is in Laurinburg, North Carolina. I also played baseball there for 4 years. I look forward to helping you learn your 7th grade science curriculum. I also hope you have a great rest of your summer, and I look forward to meeting you all.
Hello, welcome to 7th grade. I'm Miss Riggs. I'm very excited to have you in my classroom this year. Tell you a little bit about myself. I have been married 35 years. I have 2 children and 1 grandson. I can't wait to meet you to find out about you. Let's have a great year. Thanks. See you soon.
Nope, this isn't the 2020 Scaries. I've been moved to 7th grade. For those of you who didn't get to meet me in 5th grade or 6th grade, I'm Mr. Tilley and I'll be teaching 7th grade math. This is year 15 for me. I'm excited to work with some folks I've worked with in the past and get a chance to meet some new people. We'll see you guys real soon. Looking forward to it.
Hi, my name is Roger Whitson and I teach 7th grade social studies at Greene County Middle. This is my 11th year as a public school teacher. It's my 2nd career. I was in a housing business before. My wife's also in education. She's the librarian at Greene Central High School. I've had the pleasure of being the first chair of the Snow Hill Historic Preservation Commission. I also served on the Snow Hill Town Board and helped to establish and the Snow Hill Police Department. I have 2 children. My son works as a legislative assistant, and my daughter is an equine trainer. As you can see, I'm a man of many hats.
Hey guys, my name is Susan Smith. I teach 7th grade ELA. You can find me at room 711 if you're on campus. And if you're virtual, I will see you virtually. This year we're going to have a different year, but you know what? I'm really excited. I think it's going to be fantastic. So as I'm leaving you, I'm going to leave you with a few images of my favorite things. And we'll talk about them many times throughout the year. Can't wait to learn about you, your families. It's going to be a great year, guys. Thanks.
Grant family, welcome back. I'm DeMarcus Whitehurst, computer science and coding teacher here at Greene County Middle School. A few things about myself. I graduated from the University of North Carolina at Pembroke, where I received my bachelor's in business administration and management. I later on went to Appalachian State University, where I got my master's in education. A few things I do around the school. I serve as the offensive line coach at Greene Central High School. I also serve as the head wrestling coach at Greene Central High School. Can't wait for you guys to come back and get this year started off.
Hey kids, I'm Joanne McGowan. I'm the band director here at Greene County Middle School. I am so excited to see all of my returning 7th and 8th graders, and I can't wait to meet my new 6th grade kiddos. Things that I like to do outside of Greene County Middle School: I like to travel, I like to go see movies and concerts, and I like to spend time with my family. And I love teaching at GCMS. This is going to be my 10th year, and it's my 21st year of teaching, and I'm just as excited as I was the first day of my first year. I can't wait to see y'all, and just to let you know how much I love y'all, I actually did my hair and makeup today, which has not been a normal occurrence in my life for the last few months. So, I'm looking forward to a great new school year here at GCMS.
Hi everyone, my name is Mr. Clark and I'm excited to be your new art teacher for this up and coming school year. I grew up mostly in the Cary-Raleigh area with my 3 brothers and my parents, but have lived here in Greenville since I went to ECU in 2009. I graduated from ECU in 2013 with my BFA in art education and taught at Chicago for about 6 years before coming here. Some of my hobbies include archery, fitness, metalsmithing, video games, and of course art. This is going to be a crazy school year, but I know we're going to still be able to make some awesome art, and I look forward to teaching all of you guys. See you soon. Bye.
Hey everybody, my name is Emily Kearney, and I am the new STEM lab instructor at Greene County Middle School. I have been teaching in Greene County for 15 years. I've taught 3rd grade, 4th grade, and 5th grade. I live in Snow Hill with my husband, Stephen, my daughter, Ava, who is going into the 7th grade, and my son, Easton, who will be going into the 3rd grade. I'm super excited about this school year and can't wait to get to see and meet all of you guys. See you soon.
Alrighty, good morning. My name is Ariel Jeffers. I am from Raleigh, North Carolina. I'm a recent college graduate from East Carolina University. Go Pirates. I will be your CTE teacher for the upcoming school year. I will be teaching biotechnology, and I'm looking forward to a great school year with everyone. Go Rams and stay safe.
Good morning, my name is Diana Schwartz. I'm going to be Read 180 teacher for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. I came here 3 years ago from Colombia, South America. My first year I was a teacher of ESL and Spanish in high school, and after my 2nd year, I've been teaching Read 180 here in the middle school. I came along with my daughter, Maria. She's in early college right now. And I got married a year ago. We have a baby dog, his name is Scooby. I live in Greenville, and I like cooking. I love cooking, so I expect to have us having like small gatherings, cooking. And I speak English, French, and Spanish in case you need help with anything else.
Hello, Singing Rams. I'm so excited to be your new chorus teacher for this year. My name is Miss Chin, and I cannot wait to meet all of you and to start making music together. If you'd like to know a little bit more about me, you can go into your web browser and type in this link, bit.ly/GCMS chorus, and it will pull up a slideshow about me. I can't wait to see you soon.
I am Nikki Dixon. I have been teaching for almost 20 years. I am a native of Greene County. I earned my undergraduate degree from North Carolina Central University. Go Eagles. I also earned a master's degree from East Carolina University. I am married. I have 3 children. Currently, I am teaching Read 180 for 6th, 7th, and 8th grades. I look forward to working with you and your families this year.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Tamika Powell. I am your business education teacher. I graduated from Ashford University in Los Angeles, California. I am a published author of a book called Precious Moments, Treasured Memories. I am married and I am a musician. See you soon.
Hey everyone, my name is Wesley Grant and I teach health and physical education here at Greene County Middle School. I have taught here at the middle school for the past 7 years, and this year will be my first year as athletic director. I am a graduate of East Carolina University and also an alumni of Greene Central High School. I coach football here at Greene County Middle and basketball over at Greene Central High School. It's disappointing to me that I can't get to meet you all in person this year at Open House, but I look forward to taking on this challenging year with you all in a few weeks. See you soon.
Hey everyone, I am Coach AJ Evans. I am the new health and physical education teacher at Greene County Middle School, and I'm just excited to be a part of Greene County Middle School. I can't wait to get to know my students and to meet their parents and my other co-workers. I'm hoping to have a great school year to guide individuals in the process of becoming physically active and healthy for a lifetime.
Hello, my name is Tabitha Dixon.
and I'm an EC teacher here at Greene County Middle School. I'm looking forward to working with you all throughout the school year, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Miss Dorothy Wright. I teach all subjects. I like gardening, reading my Bible, spending time with my family, singing and dancing. Can't wait to meet you.
Hello everybody, my name is Miss Vendemia. Most of you know me as Miss V. I will be working this year with 6th, 7th, and 8th graders in the Exceptional Children's Department.
My name is Carol Taylor. I'm the AIG teacher at GCMS. My office is located in the library with Mrs. Bright. I work on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I have 2 children who are both in education. I have 1 grandson who keeps me busy on the days that I'm not working at GCMS. In my spare time, I enjoy spending time with my family and playing tennis. Please feel free to contact me via email at any time.
Hey everyone, my name is Samantha Hayslip and I'm the K-8 math coach for Greene County Schools. This is my 7th year working at Greene County Middle School. Before I took this job, I was a 7th grade math teacher here. I'm actually from Snow Hill. I went to school at Greene County Middle School. I live here in town with my husband Tyler and my son Owen, who is 2. In my free time, I love cooking and playing tennis and reading. I can't wait for this school year and I'm so excited to see everyone.
Hi everyone, I'm Ms. Garcia. I'm our 612 literacy coach, which means I'll be in and out of all classrooms. I love to read, so talk to me about what you read this summer. I am a native of Indiana. I am married with 2 children who currently attend schools in our district. Mr. Garcia may or may not claim me, but we are happy to have you in Greene County and look forward to working with you this year.
Hello, my name is Lee Bright and I'm the School Library Media Coordinator at Greene County Middle School. This is my 24th year in that position, and middle school is my favorite age when it comes to teaching kids and working with books and sharing stories. So just know that I'm here for you. Come and talk to me about books you're reading, books you want to read. I'll be glad to listen. I'll be glad to recommend books to you. If you need help on projects, I'll be glad to offer ideas, opinions, advice. Come and see me. I'm here. I'm your resource. So I look forward to seeing you in the hallway. I'm looking forward to a great school year. We're in this together. And I will see you soon. Talk to you later. Bye.
My name is Miss Harris. I am the school nurse at Greene County Middle School. I graduated from ECU School of Nursing in 1999. I have been a school nurse since 2004. I am married with 2 boys. I enjoy spending time at the beach and watching my boys play baseball. I am excited about returning to school. I look forward to working with each of you to ensure your healthcare needs are met. Enjoy your last week of summer vacation and see you all soon.
Hi students, my name is Mrs. Barnwell. I'm the MTSS facilitator for Greene County Middle School. I'm super excited to be working with you all this year. I hope you had a great summer and I look forward to seeing you in a few days.